The mihi animas cetera tole. Give me souls, take away the rest. Father John po, SDB. We are now in the 27th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Lord, increase our faith. Ito po yung sigaw ng mga tao sa ating Ebanghelyo ngayon, taken from the Gospel of Luke, chapter 17, verse 5 to 10. Lord, increase our faith. Maybe because these people is already undergoing pains, trials, pagod na sila. As if lahat ng sakripisyo, lahat ng trabaho nila, walang patutunguhan. They just want to surrender. Pero this is the first lesson I think that the Lord is teaching us in our celebration for today. In times na pagod tayo, in times na hopeless tayo, in times na everything is so dark at gusto na natin sumuko, lumapit tayo sa Diyos. Magpakumbaba tayo at manalangin. Lord, help us. Lord, give us the grace that we need for us to be able to endure all these pains and trials in life. Lord, increase our faith in you na yes, mahirap, ngunit matatapos din ang mga bagay na ito. Lord, increase our love and our trust in you. This is the first message of our celebration. Kanino ka unang tumatakbo in times of pains and doubts and sufferings in your life? Takbo ka sa Panginoon, sapagkat ipapaalala sa atin ng Panginoon ang napakahalagang bagay. Yes, mahirap, ang daming hamon sa ating buhay, but the Lord will always tell us, have faith, my child. Continue the journey. Face it with trust in your heart that you are not alone. Because also in our first reading, sumisigaw na yung mga tao, hanggang kailan namin titiisin ang mga paghihirap na ito? Hanggang kailan kami kailangang mag-suffer? And the Lord reminded, until the end, you have to be faithful. Find the fidelity in living out your faith until the end. Because in our second reading, pinaalalahanan tayo that God has granted us all the graces and blessings and the support that we need for us to be able to face all these things in our life. We just have to put our faith on it. Kailangan maniwala lang tayo na tayo binayayaan ng Panginoon ng grasya upang makayanan natin ang mga bagay na ito. And the greatest gift that God has granted to us is His presence. Kung kaya ang kanyang pangalan ay Emmanuel, God is with us. God has granted us the best gift, the grace that we need for us to be able to endure the trials of this world. And that is His presence, His love, His strength, His will is within us. And we just have to hold on it. And we just have to put our faith on it. At ito po yung sigaw ng ating celebration ngayon. Ito yung paalala sa atin ng ating liturhiya. Increase our faith sa ating Panginoon. In times of pains and troubles, alalahanin natin ang kanyang sinabi, when I am weak, you are strong. And I think this is the message of our God in our celebration for today. Let us increase our faith in Him. Palalimin at palakasin natin ang ating pananampalataya sa Kanya. Lumapit tayo sa Kanya sa mga panahon na hirap tayo. Hindi natin kakayanin kung wala ang presensya ng Diyos. Yan ang dapat nating maalala. That we cannot endure all things in this world without God in our hearts, in our life. So once again, my dear friends, let our prayer today is, Lord, increase our faith in you. So once again, my dear friends, God bless us all.